Greetings, hamsters. Many people have been wondering the various levels that are in Hamster Combat and the category they fall in, the various coin balance required for their level. So, in today's video, I want to show you an explanation of all the levels in Hamster Combat from the beginning to the end so that you know where you fall in and know where your coin balance falls in. So we want to start by opening the Telegram because you know that Hamster Combat Mining is on Telegram. So when you open Telegram, the first message you got from Hamster Combat actually talked about that level. There are so many things that are written there, but we are going to go straight to levels. It says, the more coins you have on your balance, the higher the level of your exchange is. Now mark this word, the higher the level of your exchange is, and the faster you can earn more coins. Now let's get to the levels so that you see exactly each of the level, what it represents, and where you fall in. You already know that in order to open this, you simply click on play right here. Okay, each time you click, you already know you're going to tap on thank you. So now talking about levels, this is where the levels falls in. Look at right here. It will write the name of your level and write how many over 11. Like you know, the total levels in Hamster Combat is 11 from level 1 to 11. Now let's click it and see what it is. And like you know, no matter your level in Hamster Combat, they rate you as a CEO in Hamster Combat. So after your name is written, CEO is written in front of it. So now let's open this and see what the levels are. I'm going to be starting from the first level to explain this. So in order to start from the first one, you just keep tapping this arrow till you get to this one that is naked, which is level 0, bronze. So you see for this level, it has written here that for bronze, the coin balance is 0. And now you see that the Hamster Combat right here is naked, because for each level, the look of the Hamster Combat or the teddy looks different. It changes for every level. For the bronze, the balance is 0. Now let's check the next one. So the next one here for silver, you can see how the hamster looks. He now wears a mask and is no longer totally naked. And now for that silver, you see the coin balance is from 5k. From 5,000 coin balance, you have already entered silver level, which is the second level. Now let's see the third level. So for the third level, which is gold, you see the teddy has now dressed in an attire. And now you see the gold is from 25k. So if your coin balance has reached 25k or just past 25k, then you are around level 3, which is gold. Level 3, right? Yeah. Now let's head to the next level. So for the next level is platinum. So after the 25k level, you get to the next level. Now you also see the Hamster Combat is now putting on a tie, and right here the coin balance, your coin balance has to be up to 100k or 100,000 before you get to the platinum level. From 26,000 to 100,000 is the platinum level, and this is the fourth level. Now let's see for the fifth level. Fifth level is called diamond level. And if your coin balance has reached 1 million, it means you are in the diamond level. And you can see the hamster is now putting on a shirt and a tie. So now let's check on the sixth one. So you see for the sixth one is called epic. The level here is epic. You can see the hamster is now putting on a suit, a shirt and a tie. And then your coin balance has to be from 2 million. So if your coin balance is from 101 million to 2 million, then your level is epic. So now let's check the sixth level. The sixth level in Hamster Combat is called legendary, and legendary is from 10 million. And now you can see the teddy. So ordinarily, when you look at a teddy, when someone opens his or her Hamster Combat, you can use it to know the level the person is in. because each level has a different teddy bear. Now you can see the teddy right here is now clothed with shirt, suit, and you can see the pocket is different, and now it's also putting on a napkin like that pampers. Okay, now that's it for the 7th level, which is legendary. Now let's check the level 8 of Hamster Kombat. Level 8 of Hamster Kombat, we have this, which is called Master. You can see the teddy is now putting on a smart suit and an eyeglass, and is bent one side with its tail out. So whenever you see this, you know that the level of this Hamster Kombat is from 50 million. So if your Hamster Kombat balance has reached 50 million, you know that your level is Master. Now let's check the 9th level. Now for level 9, it is called the Grandmaster. A teddy is now gallant in suit with eyeglass, looking boldly at your face. And now you can see right here, for the Grandmaster level, you have to have between 100 million and lower than 1 billion. Now let's check out the 10th level, which is, the 10th level is called Lord. This used to be the last level, because I joined Hamster Kombat 2 weeks plus now, and when I first logged in, this was the last level 10. It was level 10 as the last level, so this was all that was there. But now this is now level 10 and no longer the last. And now to get to the Lord level, which is this, you can see the teddy is growing old. You can see white beards everywhere, wearing senior eyeglass, and the suit color and packaging has changed. So whenever you see this, you know that this person's Hamster Kombat level is from 1 billion and above, and it is called Lord. So now let's head on to the next level, which was newly introduced by Hamster Kombat about a week ago. It is called Creator. You can see it's all muzzled out, and you can see, to get to the Creator level, you need to have a coin balance of from 18 billion and above. Now for each level, there's something that we are missing. For each level, the people that have attained such level is written below it. For instance, this Creator level, all the people down here are some of the people that have attained this level. If you go ahead and scroll down, you will see them. Now it is the same for all of it. When you go ahead and scroll down, you will see the people, you will see some of the people in that level. Yeah, they show you from 1 to 100, from top 1 to 100 of anyone in that particular level. If you scroll and count this now, you see that this is 1 to 100. And what it shows you in each balance, in each of the people right here, they attach the profit per hour of the person. For example, look at Shashram SH. You see his profit per hour right here is 4.8 million, while Andre's profit per hour is 4.7 million, while Amin profit per hour is 4.6 million. So ordinarily, the top 1 to 100 of anyone that has attained any particular level is written on the list. So you can go ahead and check the top person in your list. In Grandmaster, for instance, which is the level that I am in, you can see the highest profit per hour for someone in my level here is this man, and you can see his profit per hour right here is 4.2 million, and so on. So you can go ahead, the more you scroll down, the more you see this. While I'm not anywhere near the people in this 1 to 100 list, because as you can see, my profit per hour right here, look at me, I am this Ogechi Victoria. My profit per hour here is just 2.6 million, and that's just a part of it. So when you scroll and get to this last one, you see that not so many people have attained this level. Yeah, this level here of 18 billion, only 6 persons has attained this level. I hope this is clear enough. If you have more questions, go ahead, contributions, your experiences, or you are just starting out and you need a particular guide on how to actually speed this up. Yeah, you go ahead and comment, and I'll try my best to share with you as much as I know that you can grow here. Like I told you, I started just 2 weeks plus ago.